Good morning everyone. My name is Archie and I am from Vidya Balmohan School. So, as we started our new chapter of maths, chapter number 13, money. So, today we are going to start further chapter. Okay. So, as we studied what is money, right? We see the sign of, we see the symbol of our Indian rupees. Now, we are going to learn how to count money. Okay, what we are going to do today? We are going to learn how to count money. Okay, so I have one example for you all. Okay, so I am pasting money right here. Okay, I have rupees 10 coins. Okay, these are the coins of rupees 10. Okay, so now as you all can see, how many there are how many coins? Yes, right. There are 4 coins of 10 rupees. There are 4 coins of 10 rupees. So now we have to add them. What we have to do? We have to add them. Okay. So before adding them in 10 plus 10 plus 10, we are going to do in multiplication. Okay, first of all look at here. How many coins are there? Yes, there are 4 coins, right? There are 4 coins. 4 coins of what? Yes, 4 coins of 10 rupees. So 4 times 10 is 4 times 10 is, think fast. Well done. 4 times 10 is rupees 40. Rupees 40. You all have to make the sign of rupees in money chapter. Okay. You all have to add rupees symbol first. Okay. Before writing the number. Okay. So look at the next example. Next is the note of rupees 50 and rupees 20 note with rupees 5 coin. Rupees 5 coin. Now what we have to do? We have to add them. Okay, what we have to do? We have to add them. We have to add rupees 50 plus rupees 20 with rupees 5. Okay. Now what we have to do? 50 plus 20 is 50 plus 20 is, yes, 70. And whenever we add 70 plus 5 is, well done. First we have to write rupees sign. Then we have to write the answer. So what is the answer? 75 rupees. 75 rupees. Okay, so I hope you all have understand the example. Now let's move to the book exercise. Okay, so I hope you all have opened your books. Page number 147. Page 147. Part A. Okay, part A. Okay, so now please read question with me. Okay, what we have to do? Find the total money in each row. We have to count the total amount of money that is used in these questions. Okay, so now first is we have three coins of rupees 1. Okay, we have 3 coins of rupees 1. So now we have to find the total amount of money. What we have to do? We have to calculate the total amount of money. Okay, so how many rupees are there? Yes, count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 coins of rupees. How much? Yes, 3 coins of rupees 1. Okay. Now what we have to do? We just have to multiply it. We have to multiply it 3 times. 1 is 3 times 1 is 3. Well done. Okay? Write it down in your books. Okay. So, move to the second part. Now, we have the coins of rupees 2. We have the coins of rupees 2 here. How many coins are there? Count it fast. Yes, there are 4 coins. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 coins of rupees. 4 coins of rupees 2. Well done. Well done. 4 coins of rupees 2. Okay, so whenever we multiply 4 times 2 is, yes, well done. 4 times 2 is rupees 8. Rupees sign is already there in your books. So you only have to write the answer. Okay? Now move to the third part. Okay, so now we have the coins of rupees 5. Coins of rupees 5. How many coins are there? Count it fast. Yes, there are, well done, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 coins of, yes, 5 coins of rupees 5. 5 coins of rupees 5. So, 5 times 5 is, well done, rupees 25. Rupees 25. Okay, so the last is, we have coins of rupees 10. We have coins of rupees 10. Count it with me. Fast, fast. Yes, well done, well done. Yes, we have 6 coins of rupees 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 coins of rupees 10. Well done. 6 coins of rupees 10. Whenever we calculate 6 times 10 is, 6 times 10 is, well done, rupees 60. Rupees 60. Okay, so I hope you all have completed your work and understand how to count money. Okay, so now you have to do question B on page number 147 in your book. Okay, you have to do question B on page number 147 in your book. Okay, now open page number 148 of your books. You have to open page number 148 of your books. So now come to page number 148, life skills part in your books. Okay, so now read the question with me. Ria and Joseph are visiting a home for old people. Okay, they are visiting the home for old people. They have bought gifts for the people there. They have bought gifts for the people there. Find the money they have spent on each gift. Okay, we have to find the money of the gift they have spent. Okay, so they have bought 3 gifts. They have bought 3 gifts. Now look at here. First one is umbrella. Second is water bottle, and the last is mug. Okay. So now we have to calculate the amount of money they have spent on each gift. So the umbrella is of rupees 10 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 5 coin. Okay, this is of rupees 50 plus 10 plus rupees 5 coin. So we have to calculate it and write it in the box. Okay, so count rupees 50 plus 10. 50 rupees plus 10 is, well done, rupees 60. And when we add rupees 5, well done my kids, rupees 65. They have spent rupees 65 on umbrella. Okay. Now come to water bottle. Now water bottle is of rupees 50 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 5 coin. Okay, rupees 50 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 5. Okay, so now again we have to count it and write it in the box. So rupees 50 plus 50 is, yes, rupees 100. And when we add rupees 5 in 100, it becomes, well done, it becomes rupees 105. It becomes rupees 105. So water bottle is of rupees 105. Well done. Okay, so the last is mug. Last is mug. So let's see what is the amount of it. Rupees 50 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 5 coin. Okay, plus rupees 5 coin. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to calculate it again and write it in the box. So count rupees 50 plus 20 is, rupees 50 plus 20 is, yes, rupees 70. And whenever we add rupees 5 in 70, what it becomes? Well done, it becomes rupees 75. It becomes rupees 75. I hope you all have understand about the counting money. Now let's move to the HOTS question. So I hope you have completed life skills part. Now let's move to the HOTS question on page number 148. Now come and read the question with me. Uncle Raman and Aunt Sneha are visiting Zeenath and Mahesh. Uncle Raman and Aunt Sneha are visiting Zeenath and Mahesh on Children's Day. So they give Mahesh rupees 50. They give rupees 50 to Mahesh and Zeenath rupees 10. More than Mahesh. More than Mahesh. So how much did they give Zeenath? How much did they give Zeenath? First of all, we have to see how much they give it to the Mahesh. They have given rupees 50 to Mahesh. They have given rupees 50 to Mahesh. Okay. Now, what are they doing? They give rupees 10. They give rupees 10 more than Mahesh. They have give rupees 10 more than Mahesh. So how we are going to calculate it? Mahesh prices is of rupees 50. Okay, rupees 50. Now we have to add rupees 10 more in it. Rupees 10 more in it because they gave more than rupees 10 to Zenat. Okay, so whenever we count rupees 50 and 10, what it will be? Rupees, count it fast. Well done. Rupees 50 plus 10 is rupees 60. Rupees 60. I hope you all have understand this question. Now, today's homework is question number B on page number 147 and 148, and you have to revise this both pages. I hope you all have understand how to count money. Now, we will meet in our next class. Bye.